they're not heavily priced, if you will.
Sure.
$5 or lower. Let's
Sure.
go with some of those.
Well, we'll go with some of those. In the bigger area, we still like Gilead and Isis and Intrexon, of course. Even with some of those stocks making new highs, they're just phenomenal companies with great management, great R&D, and I think they're going to be hugely successful. And likely, one of the large cap pharma is going to come buy them at some point. I believe that. But going to the smaller ones, when you look at companies like, we'll start off with Unilife. Unilife is a medical device company, if you will. It does injectable drugs. It's coming up with a new, novel, innovative syringe to prevent needle stick injuries. They've also come up with a drug delivery technology to help patients who have trouble swallowing pills. So here's a company with a whole platform of ways to get drugs into the body in a safer, more efficient manner. It's a stock that's $3 and change. It's a company that has tremendous patent portfolio. It's a company that very likely one of the large needle companies like a Becton or someone's probably going to end up going out to buy. So there's one example of a small company that's really came out of nowhere. It came out of Australia actually and has now become a significant player in that area.
Another one is Metastat.
Metastat is a great company. Metastat's a company that is really approaching oncology. You think about the largest killers out there, and oncology comes up in the top categories, certainly in the top few, both for men and women. And it's still an area where, outside of paclitaxel or Taxol or some of the oncology products, some of which have huge toxicity issues, we've gained in being able to increase survival, but we've gained largely through diagnostic tools of preventative medicine and intervening earlier and get screened, as opposed to actually treating you with a product.
Right.
Metastat has some really new, novel approaches and new, novel oncology products that we think have a very good chance of making it to the marketplace. And I believe that's a company that could revolutionize the way cancer is treated today. And that's a very small company with, I think, huge upside. That would be one of our top picks in the oncology area for sure, as far as a company that's coming out and doing things that are differentiated.